family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited, and guess why I'm so excited? Because in the video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a crochet look without any cornrows. Yes, I'm going to be transforming my sister's hair without any cornrows using the Faux Locs Crochet braids. So all I want you to do now is sit back, relax, watch and enjoy, and maybe you can get some tips from it, and then you can create your own style and let me know. So as you can see, her hair is freshly washed, conditioned and moisturized. So what I'm going to be doing here right now is I'm going to be sectioning her hair into like 5 rows, and then with those 5 rows I'm going to be making maybe like 5 or 6 parts in them. And I'm not going to be using any cornrows, but I'm going to be using these rubber bands. I don't know if you can see well, but these little black rubber bands to get her hair down, and then I can use my crochet pin and then go into the crocheting. I'm also going to be using a little bit of jam where it's needed. I'm not going to be using it everywhere, but I'm going to be using it as needed, especially for the front parts, just to kind of slick it down. Okay, so here we go. And I'm probably going to be doing like 5 or 6 rows depending on how it's going to look on the full hair. Take it around it. Maybe like 4 times just to make sure it's tight, but also make sure it's not too tight at the same time. And then I'm going to be twisting the rest of this part so that it has a better hold. So I'm doing a 2-strand twist. It's not going to be too tight, it's just going to be a regular 2-strand twist. And my gel. And don't worry about the edges right now. Once we are done with everything, the edges are going to be defined better, and also we're going to be able to slick it down better. But the most important thing right now is getting all the hair down. So just like the first process, take your rubber band, go around it 4 to 5 times, or depending on how tight you want it. So I'm doing the same thing throughout the hair. Take a section of one of the rows, tie it up with a rubber band, the black rubber band, do a 2-strand twist and leave it out. And right now I'm thinking I might have 5 to 6 parts in the front, as I'm seeing with the hair that she has in her front. So for the back, actually this is how the no cornrow braids came about. As you can see, all perfect and neat. This is, I already started with my crochet, but this is how it's looking like, but we have to fix this part. So what I'm going to be doing with this part is I'm going to be kind of doing a flat twist. I'm going to take some black castor oil again, and then put it in the lines on her scalp, because this is a protective style which she's gonna rock for maybe like 2 weeks or 3, so she needs her scalp to be oiled up. And the hair I'm going to be using is the model glance braid, and this is the gorgeous lock. I don't know if you can see it, but and it's a 14 inches, and the color is OT99J. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the information in the description box so that if you want to get it, you can get it at the hair store on Amazon, but it's easier to just get it at the beauty store. So this is it. With this, I'm going to be using my crochet pin. I might struggle with this a little, but I'm going to try my best. So this is how the crochet hair comes. You have this loop at the top right here, and this loop is what it's going to connect to the tip of the crochet pin. So what I do is I take the pin underneath her braids, and then I grab, and you can see I connect it to the loop. I close it, and then I take it through. Open it back up, take it out, and just pull my crochet through. Make sure it's as tight as possible so it holds better. I'm going to do one more so you can have a better view of it. So you have your crochet pin, your loop. Take your crochet pin underneath your braids. Sometimes it gets stuck in it, and then I loop it together. I close the pin. I bring it out, and then take my hair through my loop. So I'm gonna fill this side up, as you can see, so that I'm not gonna fill the whole hair up too much, but when it comes to the sides, I'm gonna make sure that that's filled up. So same process again. Bring it out, take it out, open up, take it out. So this is how it's going to be. And I think I forgot to show you this, but can you see the curls going on? Can you see that? The curls going on at the tip of the hair. Just imagine how many styles you can rock with this. It's beautiful. I love the hair. And make sure that you don't get pricked by the pin. It's really sharp, trust me. And guys, you can do this on yourself. I just really didn't feel like having a crochet in my hand. You know, I can't really be rocking these colors, you know, to work. So I decided to just do it on hair to show you guys, but it's so easy to even do it on yourself. So as you can see, I have most of the back finished or completed. Just about to fix the front, but one thing that I realized is the middle is kind of not full, so I'm gonna be adding just one strand to each section just to kind of have a fuller look on the middle, and that's the only place that I'm gonna add more hair to. And now I also realized that actually I forgot to tell you guys that it doesn't feel tight when you just go around it just once. So what I'm doing is, after I take it in through, I'm gonna go through one more time just to tighten it more. Okay guys, so this is the end result. She already got her edges done. She normally likes to do her edges by herself because she feels like it can never be perfect until she does it. But she got her edges done, and this is the result. I want her to do kind of like a 360 so you can see it better. So this is how it's looking. It's looking. Check it out. It's actually past the middle of her back. It's beautiful, guys.
I'm loving it.
She loves it. Yep. So I'm gonna take the towel off right now, and then we're gonna try to style it. One good thing about this is you can style it in so many ways. So many different ways. I'm gonna try and decorate it with this. I got it from the hair store. It has the accessories. So I'm gonna use this yarn on actually this one part that she wants out. Alright guys, so this is our end result to our no cornrow crochet faux locks, or whatever locks that is. This is our end result. Look at how beautiful it is. It's just really nice. Actually, I'm gonna leave the products in the description box so you can go get it and try your own hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of it, and please, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit your subscribe button, and then the most important is your bell notification button so you don't miss any more videos from us. As I already told you, we're gonna be bringing you a different hairstyle video of how to style the crochet, so please don't miss it. And also, we're still gonna go ahead and show you all the other great stuff that we have to show you. But please don't forget to like, please comment and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in our next one. But until then, we love you all. And it's a bye.